Hello everybody, it's Miss Sarah. I thought I would read a story with you today since we haven't read one in a little while. I found a book that's all about shapes, and I know you've been working on shapes and some other activities, so I thought this would be a fun one to read. It's called The Shape of Me and Other Stuff, and it's written by Dr. Seuss. You know, it makes a fellow think. The shape of you, the shape of me, the shape of everything I see. We've got a little dog and a cat, and I think that's a worm. A bug, a balloon, a bed, a bike. All of these start with the letter B. Bike. No shapes are ever quite alike. Just think about the shape of beans. Do you see these little beans up here? And flowers and mice and big machines. And here, this big machine, it makes the people look tiny, doesn't it? Just think about the shape of strings and elephants and other things. This page has so many shapes. We've got a heart and a moon and stars. Here's a ladder, a broom, so many things. The shape of lips. Can you touch your lips? The shape of ships. The shape of water when it drips. Peanuts and pineapples, noses and grapes. Everything comes in different shapes. We've got a bird in a cage and a butterfly. And here's some scissors. Remember, we've got to be careful with scissors because they're sharp. Why, George? You're right. And think about the shape of gum. The many shapes of chewing gum. See, it can change because you can blow bubbles with it. It gets sticky if you touch it. And the shape of smoke and marshmallows and fires. They're having a camp out, it looks like. And mountains and roosters and horses and tires. You see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tires. And the shape of camels, the shape of bees, and the wonderful shapes of backdoor keys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 keys. And the shapes of spider webs and clothes. And speaking of shapes, now just suppose, I wonder what they're saying to each other. Suppose you were shaped like these, or those, or shaped like a blog, which must be this guy right here, or a garden hose. Of all the shapes we might have been, look at all of these. There's a pig, an umbrella, a frog that goes ribbit. We've got some owls. Here's a little pretzel, a lamp, so many things. I say hooray for the shapes we're in. And we all might look a little different, but that's okay, and that makes us unique and special. Got a few more shapes, and then it's the end, so we say the end. I hope you liked this book. I thought it was very sweet. I hope you're doing well out there, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.